Good morning. This is Mr. Trask bringing you a screencast in relation to Excel. This is one of a series of such items, and today we're going to be talking about the COUNTIF function. So if I flick over here to my handy spreadsheet, this is something that I'm working on in class. Anyway, it relates to a spreadsheet which is concerned with coach tours. So here you have destinations, you have number of passengers booked, you have a price per head that they pay places that are available on the coaches, you have the capacity of the coaches, in this case 54. You'd have, for example, a total there, and a simple if statement here, which is working out income. Is it considered to be good income or low income? The one that I want to be looking at in terms of a COUNTIF, of course, you have a chart as well, just down there. But the thing that I want to be talking about is the rating. So here we have a very simple, if you like, a customer rating of each tour, and the rating is out of 5. So let's say that we have, and this is just random figures, but let's say if I zoom in slightly, that we have this particular set of categories here and these numbers here. So what I'm going to do is to create a function which calculates how many of a particular number exist in this range of data. Okay, so let's head on to cell G10, and we'll label this as something like the number of, let's do 5 stars, 5-star ratings. Okay, so we've entered that into cell G10. Let's see the cell reference G10. Okay, so quite simply in cell H10 we are entering a function, and I'll zoom in a little more so you can see this. So we go equals new function count if, we'll do a bracket. You can see down here it says the range and the criteria, so the range is going to be the data that's above it. In this case it's not particularly big, it's H3 to H8. And the criteria is I'm looking for people who've given 5-star ratings on a particular tour. So it's simply 5. If I close the bracket, press enter, we get the number 2, which means there should be 2 5-star ratings. So there's one there, yeah, and there's one there. If I was to change these, I was to change this one, to make this one a 5-star rating as well. Press 5 there, then when I press enter, you'd expect this to increase to 3. And it has done. Good. So it works. Let's try and just tweak this a little bit. We'll go equals COUNTIF H3 to H8, and let's change it to number, say number 1. So we're looking for low ratings there. Happily we have 0 number of 1-star ratings there. As you can see, the lowest here is 3. Just for the purposes of data checking again, if we change that to 1 and say that to 1 and that to 1, again it's dynamic, it counts automatically, and it gives us a 3 here. That's pretty much it in terms of COUNTIF. It's very useful, not so much if you have just a small range of data, but if you're looking at hundreds or thousands of items of data within a range, it can be extraordinarily useful. And as I say, it's known as a COUNTIF. There we go. It's quite simple once you know how to use it. Okay, thank you.